Okie dokie, stokey, ladies and gentle dudes. What I'm gonna do right now is I am going to show you how to do a video wrapper with Builderal. If you're a marketer, you know what a video wrapper is, and if you don't, stay tuned because I will teach you how to do it, and I will show you what it is. Okay, so my radio voice / creepy voice is pretty awesome. All right, so let me go over here and go to Builderal. So here you go. Right here, video wrapper. Video wrapper does not mean you're gonna be rapping on the video. Video wrapper means that you're gonna wrap a video with a wrapper. Does that make sense? Probably not. All right, so here we go. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to add a project, and I'm going to call it what the video is. Let's see, enjoy life with affiliate marketing. And I already made that video. I just got done editing and everything. It's not perfect, but it's gonna do the job for this. So right here, 1000 by 1000, that's perfect. And then I'm kind of a blue person, so let's go here and do some light blue over here. Not so light. Actually, that's pretty good. Yeah. All right. So here we go. This is gonna be the background. This is gonna be the wrapper of the video. And right here, for video, of course, there's no file. So let me choose a file. And there's many videos here. And let's see the one that I just made. Let's see, videos. And right here, marketing videos. I think enjoy life, inner it's actually enjoy life, inner marketing. But you know, affiliate marketing, inner marketing, network marketing, selling tacos in the corner. It's all the same. So over here, it's uploading, and I am going to edit this when it gets done. All right. Okie dokie. So it uploaded. So let me go ahead and do this. All right. So this is actually the video. All right. And here we go. So object subtitles. So objects, add image, add text. So I'm going to add text. And let's see what the choices are here. Georgia? No. No. Aria Black? Yeah, let's go with that. All right. So here we go. Let's see. Let's see. Yep. And align center and the color. Let's see over here. So we already have blue, How about red? How about... Ooh, that's a nice shade. All right. There you go. There we go. So, and then let's do this. Oh, no, not that. Let's not do that. And then, oh. This just turned into a... This just turned into a Monty Python video. Okay, let's see. All right. And let's just move it up. There you go. All right. Let's add some more text here. And let's go back and let's use, what was I using before? I might just go with white, but let's all right. All right. Center again. And let's put 2. No. More. Let's change this to a capital K. All right. And let's add that text. Nope. Okay. Let's move that there. Let's move this down. All right. Let's just make him big. So as you can see, you don't have to be an expert to do these things. I mean, you can learn as you go along. You see me here just blundering and blubbering my way to teaching you how to do a video wrapper. So here we go. And then let's see, video object subtitles, add image. See here, let me show you, if you know, from library, all you have is an apple and a lemon from the library from Builderal. So you can go to computer file, and let's see, pictures. Let's go to downloads, because I think I have some cool stuff on downloads. Maybe not. Let's see. Where did I have some little cool things? Let me go back here. And just for the sake of let's do some, look for some silly images here. Let's use this one. Okay. So of course you can be as sophisticated or as goofy as you want with this. I just found this little sheep over here, and I'm gonna use that, and then I'm just gonna add another image. Let's go to again to the computer, and let's, you know, here we go. You can even have it here or here, but let me just put it right. Let's put it right here. All right, and see how you can just go over the video a little bit if you like. I'm just gonna do that. I'm gonna leave it there, and I'm gonna move this one up here. Now, if you want some more brand awareness, what you could do is you could just straight up put like a website here, and that would also look cool. All right. I think that's it. Subtitles. You can add subtitles if you want. I am not going to do that, but you can also do that. And there's plenty of tutorials inside Builderal. They can show you how to do all that stuff. So what I'm going to do now, after making this little corny video, I am going to save it. Right? Save project. Okay, and now I'm going to encode the video. Hey, well, it took a little longer than I thought, but here you are. You can see. Let me pause. So, like I said, it took a little bit longer than I thought, but here you are. And you can put this on Facebook. Video wrappers work best on Facebook and Instagram. So here we go. Right? Looks pretty good. It's pretty awesome. Right? So downloading this bad boy. So all good. Let me see. It looks like I downloaded it. And here we go. So there you go. See, I downloaded it. It's downloaded. It's on my computer. So what I'm gonna do now is I am going to go and I'm gonna go to Facebook, where usually you download these videos, and I'm gonna do it on my personal site. So here we go. More about right. So right here, photo video. I'm not really sure where it downloaded. Let's see. It could be on my marketing videos. All right, let's see. Videos. Marketing videos. No, not here. There you go. Videos processing, and it should be up soon, I would say. Okay, so let's go back to this. So it's saved. You close the editor, and it's already here, right? Pretty awesome, pretty cool. I don't have that many projects, as you can see. So, there's some other people that have like about 20, 25. One thing you can do, people that run businesses, people that don't have time to create these kinds of videos, That would be another income source for you other than affiliate marketing. You do these videos for all these people. Video wrapper tool separately goes about for about $70 a month. So just think about that. You have Builderal, which is a page builder. It has autoresponders, video wrapper, and many other tools that you probably know by now. And this video wrapper is included with it. $70 that they don't have to pay somebody else. It's like they want to build a page or whatever. That's great, but they can also do their video wrappers. And I know the other video wrapper tool, the separate one, has more bells and whistles, but you really don't need them. All you need to do is convey your message and put that video out there and get people to your site, get people to your physical store, get people to whatever you're trying to promote, basically. So, hey, that's it. So, this is Douglas Valenzuela, and thanks for watching this video, and I will be seeing you later. And as always, enjoy life with the ones that you love. Okay, bye-bye.